Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you so simple, only one row repeating baby blanket or TV blanket pattern. It's so simple, only one row repeating and it's reversible. You use only slip stitch and half double crochet. It's so simple, so fast crocheting. I use here size 4 yarn and I use 5mm hook, but you can adapt your yarn and hook which you prefer to use, but I give a suggestion for you. If you use more thicker yarns and big hooks, your design will be more better. Okay, you need only multiples of 2 chains for start this pattern, and you can crochet it so easily. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time, support, and your kind comments. I'm so happy for that. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our only one row repeating baby blanket. Let's start to crochet. First of all, make a slip knot. Then make your chains, multiples of 2. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I will make a sample for you. It's enough for me. Plus 1. Skip that very first stitch. Insert your hook, second one. Grab your yarn and make a slip stitch. Yarn over, insert into the next one, grab your yarn. You have 3 loops in your hook, pull through all together. Insert into the next one, grab your yarn, pull through 2 directly, make a slip stitch. Yarn over, insert into the next one, grab your yarn. You have 3 loops, pull through all together. You will make half double crochet. Next one is slip stitch. Next one is half double. Next one slip stitch. Next one half double. Next slip stitch. Next half double. Slip stitch. Next is half double. Next one slip stitch. Next one half double. One slip stitch, and I'm on the last one. I will make here half double crochet. You will start with slip stitch, finish your row with half double crochet. Only you have one tip for that. I will show you. Chain 1 and turn your work, not count your chain 1. Okay. Insert your first loop. You can see here front and back loop. Only use back loop. Grab your yarn and make slip stitch. You start with slip stitch. Yarn over. Only use back loop. Grab your yarn. Pull through all together and make half double. Next stitch, take your back loop. Grab your yarn and make slip stitch. Yarn over. Next one, back loop. Grab your yarn. You have 3 loop. Pull through all together. Make half double. For the tip of that, only using back loops, 1 slip stitch, 1 half double. The second tip is you will start the rows with slip stitch, finish the row with half double crochet. That's it. That's the tips of that blanket. You can crochet it easily. I use only back loops here. Next one, next one slip stitch, and you can see that my last stitch is half double crochet here. Chain one and turn my work. Again always do the same thing. Not count that chain one. This is first stitch. Take your back loop and make slip stitches. You start your row with slip stitch, yarn over, insert the next one using back loop. You have 3 loops, pull through all together. Start with slip stitch, second loop is half double crochet, and only using that back loop. Okay, here slip stitch, and this is back loop. That's it. You will keep repeat that one row. Which size and which length you want, you will make your chains. How much centimeter you need. You need for baby blanket minimum 90 or 110 centimeter. Another blankets which desired measurement you want. Okay, if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.